Hey, cutie. Just got home from work. Angel is ready to go. We got our part from the legend, Jaden over at Quest Fabrication. Thank you so much for sending this over. I was looking for these everywhere to try to buy new. I couldn't find them. I messaged Tony from Highway 83 Suzuki. I didn't hear back from him, but I navigated his whole site and I couldn't find them. But after I got this, or after this was already sent to me, I was looking online and a Google search actually brought up a page inside of Highway 83 Suzuki that looks like they have new ones for sale. So I will put a link to that in the description if you guys are looking for these things. I do know they corrode and get yucky, and this is an old car, but it was in really good condition, so it's not all rusted out and stuff other places. So these things they're in a really bad spot and get yucky. So hopefully that'll help you out. Let's get to it.
Let's go.
butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh,
I looked at the camera we're supposed to have. I was like, oh, okay, best camera. Let's not get the most expensive one. Why? And then everybody's like, oh, this is the best entry level camera you can use for YouTube. Here's all. Okay, so the best entry level camera, all this stuff, blah blah blah, and all these levels, right? And I looked it up, $2,100. It's a Sony, and all the other ones were 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, like professional cameras or whatever.
All right, y'all. We need to start a GoFundMe page so that we can get a real camera because this GoPro sucks. Sorry.
I don't know what's going on with our GoPro, but it keeps like repairing file. So I think maybe the SD card's bad. I hope that's it. So, you know, I had some issues with my last GoPro, but we're kind of using it, not like we should.
Yeah.
It's not meant to be hours and hours and hours of footage. And but anyways, so we got it all back together. The interior's all done. The dash is back on. Everything works, including the washer fluid. So we had to kind of like make an adapter for the end of the washer wiper motor so it would stick out far enough to revolve around and do what it needs to do. But during that process, we disconnected the washer fluid. I'm not 100% sure that we can put that back on underneath or through a hole. I'm pretty sure the whole dash has to come back out. But it's all back in. We're gonna show it to you, and thanks for watching, man. This has been a hell of a journey. We had so many parts and wrong parts and crazy things, and thank you again, Jaden from Quest Fabrication. I'm gonna probably link his channel through the entire video so you guys can go watch him, but we'll just show you what we got going on here. What do you think, babe? Was that real bad? If we had all the parts together, I really don't think it would have been that long.
No.
What if we had all the parts? We would have probably just put the dash back in what, 2 hours?
Yeah. Not even.
Not even. Hour and a half, and then probably an hour to take it out. Mm-hmm. So it wasn't too bad. All back together. All beautiful. We do have some wiring cleanup to do and some lights. Put all LED lights in everything. And they're all blue. And I am currently working on a center console. And I just printed a center console. It's on the 3D printed a center console. It's on the island in the kitchen. And it needs to get cleaned up a little bit, and then maybe that'll be the next video. So, peace out, guys.
Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day.